Chris. So I'm just popping in real quick on camera to tell you guys hi, and I hope you guys are doing well. And I just wanted to tell you guys that today we are going to be watching my living room, kitchen, and bathroom tour. I will not be doing the bedroom because I'm gonna be saving that for another video. So yeah, I just wanted to quickly pop in and just, show my face because it's looking quite lovely today. Yeah, and I did, cut my hair down a bit some more, so I really do like it. And for those of you who are wondering, I'm actually sitting down on top of one of the bar stools in the kitchen filming this video, trying to get some good angles. Y'all know how that go. But anyway, no long talking. Let's go ahead and let's jump straight into the video. Here it goes. When you first get inside of the door, you will see this closet right here. It is supposed to be a coat closet, but I actually use it for storage. So I'm gonna give you guys a peek inside. It's pretty junky inside of there. This umbrella, I got it from Target. The key rack holder is from the Family Dollar. We're gonna move on to my gorgeous Calypso vases, and they're from Z Gallery, as well as the metallic branches are from Z Gallery as well. These two canvases are from Amazon. Let's get into this entertainment stand section right here. So the actual TV stand is from Walmart.com, a Roku TV, and I'm playing some Pandora right now. This tray, I got it from the thrift store, and on the back of the tray it says it came from Home Goods. And these balls in here, these decor balls, are from the Dollar Tree. Down here I just have a piece of crystal. That vase is from the thrift store as well. I got this from Marshall's like a long time ago, somewhere down at Fort Myers if I'm not mistaken. These two candles are from the Dollar Tree. This decor piece is from Amazon as well. The canvas up here is from Marshall's. Accent chair is from Ashley Home Store. It is pretty comfortable. I really like it. The rug is from Ross. The coffee table and the end table over there is from a local store over here called American Freight. And I just basically sprayed it over in like a metallic silver. This piece came from the thrift store as well. The tray came from Amazon, and then it just basically holds my remotes. I got this piece from Marshall's. My candle holder, I got it from the Family Dollar. And then the candle inside of it, I got it from Marshall's as well. This flower arrangement piece, the vase is from the Family Dollar. And the flowers as well is from the Family Dollar and Hobby Lobby. Then I have this Chanel book that I got from Amazon, as well as the mini home decor piece right here is from Amazon too. All right, let's talk about the couch before we move on to over here. My couch is from Walmart.com. The two teal pillows are from the thrift store. The white pillows are from Ross. The throw blanket over here is from Amazon. The coasters are from Marshall's. Y'all gonna hear that a lot. Marshall's, Ross, Didi's Discount, Dollar Tree. Like, those are my stores and I stay up in there. This right here is from the Dollar Tree, as well as, again, the potpourri inside of it. This piece is from Marshall's, And the flower arrangements again is from the Dollar Tree as well as Hobby Lobby. The lamp is from Lamps Plus, and I really like it. You know, I think it's really pretty, and it added a really nice glamorous touch to the living room. And I like the little knob piece that it has up here as well. It's really pretty. Up here I have a 3-tiered picture holder, and I got it from walmart.com. And the frames, I got them from the Dollar Tree, and I basically sprayed them over in silver. So up top I have my niece and my nephew, and then this is me on my 30th birthday last year. By the way, I have my 30th birthday vlog on my channel. I will go ahead and link it down below. And then this one is a picture of me and my other nephew. So the bar stools, I had these bar stools like from the time I moved into my first apartment a long time ago. And I basically used to keep them outside, and I went through like a big process trying to find bar stools from like everywhere that matched the height, the color. So I just decided at the end of the day to just take the ones that I have, since they were perfect height anyway, and I did a DIY on them. I sprayed them, so this is what they look like, and I really do like them. The placemats are from walmart.com. They're just like these sequin placemats. The fruit bowl, I got it from Marshall's. And as you can see, it just holds right now some avocado, lime, plantain, mango. This vase, I got it from Ross, and the flower arrangements in here, I got it from Michael's. My paper towel holder, I got that from Didi's Discount. I basically bought a brown mirror from Walmart. I think it was like $55 or $57, and I spray painted it. And then after I spray painted it, I didn't really like the way how it looked, so I bought the materials like the crushed glass and the glitter and the resin and the like the hard shelling to go on top of it as well. And this is what I came up with. If you guys want to see how I did the creation of it, I will go ahead and link that video down below as well in the description box. It was actually the video prior to this one, but I'll go ahead and I'll link it for you guys. So this is my work area. I work from home, but temporarily right now I'm back in the office. So as of now, I've just been using this space to go ahead and, you know, do some editing here and do some work on my brand. So I'm gonna go around and tell you guys where the stuff is from. Up here, I have this piece. I got this from Michael's. These two pieces right here, I got them from Five Below. And then the diffuser, I got that from Didi's. And the crystal decor, I got that from Didi's too, as well as the flower piece, I got that from Didi's. And the work hard and stay humble, I got that from Burlington, as well as this C piece, I got that from Burlington. The table itself, the L table glass, I left the plastic on it still, but the table is from walmart.com. Got this from the Dollar Tree, as well as the same potpourri. This picture right here is from SeaWorld. It's me and my dad when we went on the Mako or Mako roller coaster. Who sent me on that, I don't know. And this is just like some work stuff right here that I tried to cover up. My Wi-Fi box. This piece is from Didi's Discount. And my trash can, I just got a normal trash can from Walmart. And this is an overview look again of how this part looks. So let's go ahead and let's move on to the kitchen where, you know, Chef Boyarlin, which is what I nickname myself, I get my, you know, my cooking on. And if you guys not following me on my IG, please go ahead and do so. I will go ahead and link my IG here for you guys, so you guys can go ahead and follow me on there because I do be cooking. Let's go ahead and let's get into the kitchen. So just have some hand soap, some palm olive, and this piece right here is from DD's. And then I just have 2 candles here from the Dollar Tree that I normally burn sometimes to get the smell away as well. This is from Dollar Tree. My floor kitchen mat is from Target. Back here I have a blender. My mom gave that to me. And then this right here is a very important piece. It's very sentimental to me. This is the grill that I first bought myself when I moved into my first apartment like a long time ago. I've had this grill for about, I would say, like 10 years now. It's a George Foreman grill. As you can see, the top is peeling off, but the inside still works really, really, really good. I think that the day this grill crank out on me, to be honest with you, I won't probably cry. I know it sounds a bit cheesy, but I won't probably cry because I had it for so long. So, you know, it really means a lot to me. And this is like my 4th apartment. So, you know, it's been with me through all of those apartments. And then I have a NutriBullet that my best friend, hey bestie, if you're watching this video, Sharice bought this for me for Christmas. And then I have these 2 canisters right here. This one hold rice and this one is holding sugar. I got these from Marshall's. This coffee maker right here, I got this from Walmart. The actual K-cup holder that I need to put some more stuff on is from Target. And then I have some Crucian rum right here that, you know, I just sip on here and there. Not really like a heavy rum drinker, so that's why these rums are still here. But yeah, so I just have some hot cocoa. I think this is caramel cappuccino and like 2 things of Colombian coffee left. So yeah, I gotta restock. Inside of up here, I just have some glasses, some mugs, some straws, and some Christmas cups back there, and some other stuff for like the blender and some other like to-go cups. Some bowls and some plates that are clean because the rest of them are currently right now in the dishwasher. So yeah, that's that. On top of the fridge, I have some pretzels, some Aldi's like brand Pringles. I have some lemon cookies, some Swiss rolls, some coconut caramel cookies. Y'all, I love snacks. Waffle cone, cereal, and then in here I got some cashews, pistachios, and then my hot Cheetos. And on the fridge I just got some magnets, and this magnet right here, when Papi had went to Jordan, he brought me this magnet on his way back. Ta-da! No, I'm just playing. Let's start with up here inside of the fridge. So inside of the fridge, on the top shelf, I just have some fruits, veggies in Ziploc bags. So that's what I have in that corner. And then I just have some butter, some snack packs for work, some yogurt, some bagels, I think turkey breast back there, some beef sausage, salmon, cheesecake, eggs, and then I don't go thirsty. So I just have some water, some soda, cranberry juice. I have some iced coffee back here, some other juices, coffee creamer, orange juice, and I have some wines. So I have watermelon wine, pineapple wine. These 2 wines back here is for like my steaks to marinate, and then I have a bottle of sangria. And then down here I just have like my produce. That's where I keep on my produce. Now on the door itself, here I just have some cheese, sour cream, cream cheese, and some condiments and heavy creamer down here. I always keep heavy creamer because, you know, I make my pasta sauces from scratch, so I always need those. My freezer now is a different story. So inside of the freezer I just have meatless meatballs. By the way, these are really good if you guys want those. Things for my smoothies that are frozen. Some more things in here for smoothies that are frozen. Some fries, hash browns, ice cream. And then on the door, I just have some more things for smoothies, some ice, and some frozen veggies. And I think this is like frozen chicken. Yeah, that's all I have for right now inside of the fridge. Let me go ahead and give you guys another view of the kitchen. So this is what, you know, the kitchen overview looks like. Here is the bathroom. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the light and give you guys a tour of the bathroom. My shower curtain is from Marshall's. The shower rings or shower hooks was from Walmart. The bath towels or hand towels are from Big Lots. The rugs, I got this rug from the Family Dollar, and then I got these two white rugs down here from Aldi. My trash can is from Home Goods. On top of here, I did like a DIY over these crates that I got from the Dollar Tree. I wanted them to kind of look like distressed a bit. So that's that. And then inside of here, I just got like some greenery and some more decor pieces. These are from the Dollar Tree as well. This canvas piece, I got this from Amazon. This paper towel holder, I got that from the Dollar Tree. My soap dispenser and toothbrush holder is from Target. And then over here, I just have another dollar store piece that I put together. Candle is from the Dollar Tree as well. This one smells really good. It's peach cobbler. And then I just have some toothpaste and some cream wash for my face. Inside of the medicine cabinet, I just have some vitamins up here, some ibuprofen, like Benadryl, Mucinex, some allergy relief, and I think I have what's that, like cold and flu. I have tea tree oil, and then I have my Clinique Moisture Surge moisturizer, some contact stuff, some Vicks coconut rose face mist for my face, elf moisturizer. I have some serums back here, and then I just have some nail polish down here. It's not really that organized but down here is mostly where I keep like my brush, my combs, alcohol, peroxide, deodorant, some more face mask, cotton balls, cotton pads, and I keep like all of my like hair stuff, blow dryer, flat iron, curling irons, etc. down there. And I keep like some other products inside of here as well. So yeah, that's that. And this is what the bathroom looks like again. Behind the door, I have this sign. You guys saw this sign in my previous video. I got that from Marshall's. This rack, got that from Walmart. I just got a bonnet on here, and I have a shower cap and my towel. So yeah, that's I hope you guys enjoyed this video that I filmed. I worked really hard on my apartment. I wanted it to be a space where it was cozy, cute, and yet still glam for me. And so I think that I did a good job on it. So go ahead and comment down below if you guys enjoyed the video. Also thumbs up as well. And if you've not subscribed, girl, what is you doing? You need to be subscribed to my channel, okay? So go ahead and hit the subscribe button that's down there down below. Also be sure to check the description box for the gloss that I have on, which is the Fenty Beauty gloss, as well as any other links that I will be providing down there. And don't forget to follow me on IG, a_vi_gem. I respond back to all of my comments. I appreciate you guys liking, watching, sharing. Like, I really do appreciate it. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys, thank you so much for watching.